Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of my page kit for Mulan. This is for my autograph series. That's why we have the marker here that just represents her autograph, and the title is actually created using the autograph that she does at the park. So if you are interested in picking up one of these kits, the link is below in the description. So just go ahead and click on that and it'll take you to my shop. And everything is going to be pre-cut already for you in this kit. All you have to do is put it together and you'll receive full color photos along with your kit as well. The white that you see here just represents the photograph. So the white is not in the kit. That is, like I said, it's just representing the photo. And it says what size photo, like 4x6, 4x6, 3.5 by 3.5. So just whatever sizes I put on there. I'd like to add these so when I do go to add my photos, I know exactly what size to put them at, and then you just glue them down to the black cardstock. So in this case, for my sample, I just put a little dab of glue behind the white cardstock in the center. I can peel this off later and add my photo. When you add your titles, just don't put any sticky underneath if it's overlapping a photo. If you do not have your photos on yet, you can go ahead and stick those down once your photo's down. These lovely borders, these are already going to be cut out for you. You don't have to worry about any kind of tracing or cutting for those. And all the photo mats are cut. The decorative background paper actually is the only thing that will not be cut. The solid 12 by 12 is, the solid black is 12 by 12, but this will also come as a 12 by 12, the clouds. So you'll just have to cut that down to 11 3/4 square, and that's also in the instructions. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a close-up look of these two pages. And so if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I would love to hear from you. If you have requests for any other autograph pages, for characters I haven't done yet, please leave that as well, and I'll add those to my to-do list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Click that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos that I post. I'm trying to do a video every Saturday now. I was trying to do one every single day, and I think I did that for like a month and a half, maybe at the beginning of the year. And then I went down to 3 a week, and now I think I'm just sticking to once a week. So far, I'm just trying to find kind of what works best. If you have any requests on what videos that you want to see from me, I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much again for watching. Don't forget to check out my shop, and have a great day.